Hi guys on YouTube, here is my 3 vacuum cleaners, the Hoover, the Henry and the Electrolux, and I'm going to show you them both running. I'm going to show you them all running, but I've plugged them into this electrical nerve free switch, so I'm going to start with my Electrolux. The Henry, and then the Hoover in a minute. Now I'm going to run them all at the same time. So what I'm going to do is switch them all on, and then I'm going to switch it on from the mains. Here we go! That was great. And a separate video I'll do one of cleaning half of the room. See you in a minute.